Hey guys, welcome to the channel. It's Hamza, and in today's video I'm gonna go over my portfolio just like I do every single day. So today it says our portfolio is up around $2,400, which is good news. However, I don't think the day started that way. Let's quickly go over the day and see what the day looked like for me. So I think we started just around here. A little bit of volatility, moved all the way up to almost $157,000, and then went back down just to move back up after hours back to $156,500. And I'm assuming that has something to do with the crypto on the portfolio, because that is what is moving in the portfolio as of today. Now remember guys, I make trades every day, and actually I did post 2 alerts today. I'm gonna go over them in just a second, but I did post 2 alerts. If you guys would like to get my alerts, whether I'm buying, selling, or holding on to something, just hit that join button. It's right next to that subscribe button. Also consider subscribing to the channel, because I do plan on taking this portfolio up to $1 million this year. So you guys can watch me do that. If you don't want to subscribe, that's all right. At least hit the like button. It would help me out with the YouTube algorithm. Just kidding. You have to subscribe, like, and join if you can, of course, or if you enjoy my content. Anyways, with that being said, let's quickly go over the options. Now, before I go into the options, I did forget I need to go over my buying power. So as you guys can clearly see, yesterday's buying power was around $10,000. Today's buying power is $17,000, which means we did sell a large position in the portfolio. And if you guys remember, you would know exactly what that position was. And the cool thing is we did make a profit when we sold it. I'm going to go over it in just a second. Right now, let's go over the options really quickly. This is what my options look like as of right now. Nothing has changed except for that I have ON added on for the end of the month, and I have some workhorse for beginning of next month. Next month is my birthday. 4th of May is my birthday. So let's hope that the workhorse options pay up and we do see a little bit of movement in workhorse. Other than that, the only options that I think are going to end up making money for me in this portfolio are the ones that I have expiring either early next year or GSAH if the merger is announced before June. Now, I think I gave it plenty of time. The stock is hovering right at $10. This is a SPAC, so I don't think it's going to go any lower. We just need one good day of good news, and this is going to go crazy. And once it does, we do have 2,800 shares, or the option to buy 2,800 shares, which means we are going to make some decent amount of money in GSAH. And I'm going to continue scrolling through the options really quickly because nothing much has changed. Now, our losses have gone down on ExxonMobil. NEO, I think our losses are right where they were. PLTR losses are where they were. PLTR seeing a lot of movement on the options chain, and we are anticipating a big move on PLTR. So I'm not too worried about it because I do have till the end of the year, and I do think that PLTR is going to be over $30 by then. Now that we've covered the options, let's quickly go over the stock. This is where we have a little bit of green in the portfolio, which I am happy to announce is a good move. Now, we are working towards building a long-term portfolio and a section where we day trade. Our long-term portfolio is going to consist of all the ARK ETFs because I think it is a safe place to pocket money right now. And we are going to have some stocks that we think are doing very well, like Tesla, that we are going to put into this long-term portfolio. Now, I did also sell Tesla, and for those of you who are members, you did receive that alert when we sold them, and then we picked them back up at a discount. So we sold them at, I believe it was $724, and then we ended up picking them a little cheaper than that. So that's just the kind of information you get when you guys become members. Anyways, PLTR losses have increased, which means PLTR did go down today. NEO down today. BNGO and NNDM unfortunately giving up all the gains that we got from them yesterday. So yesterday we got all excited about both BNGO and NNDM because they are significant components of this portfolio, and they were supposed to be the companies that take us to that $1 million a little quicker. It seems like they have given up those gains that we got yesterday. Snow not looking too good, but green for the day nonetheless. Fubu green for the day as well, so that is good. Clove, VGAC, SRPT, all of them red for the day. SRPT, by the way, getting very, very close to break even, so I'm excited to see when we are going to break even on SRPT. Of course, we are going to sell and put our money somewhere else when that happens. Nokia also looking like it's having a little bit of a run, which I think is very good. Talking about Nokia and the run that we are seeing, AMC and GME both did make a significant move today. Well, not significant, but they did make a move today. And there is some news that investors are talking about, or speculation rather, that people are talking about on AMC for tomorrow. So that's going to be on our watch list for tomorrow for sure. Piton, we are down. Excel Fleet, we've completely given up on. Unfortunately, I think we're just going to have to call Excel Fleet a loss in this portfolio and move our money somewhere else. where hopefully we can recoup a little bit of those gains. NAK, TMDI, both closing in the red. I'm quickly going to scroll down here. You guys can pause the video to see some of these stocks and what our losses look like. And then I want to move quickly into the day trades that we made today, because we did move quite a little bit of money. Now, the only thing that I have open on my day trades for today was GSAH, which I have been holding overnight, meaning I've been holding it since yesterday. Actually, I've been holding GSAH for quite a while. And then Tesla over here. Tesla, we only have one share as of right now. We may add more towards the position. I wasn't in the mood to play earnings with Tesla, and I think it was a good thing that I did not, because it continues to go down. Now, once I feel like Tesla has bottomed out, I am going to be putting significant amount of money in Tesla, possibly my entire buying power. So that's just to give you guys an idea on how bullish I am on Tesla long term. However, looking at the short term, we do need to be careful on how much money we put into Tesla. And now that we've covered the stocks, I quickly want to go over the crypto. So Doge, we have only 41 Doge. I put $10 in it. We are up roughly around 12%, which is $1.20. It's not going to move the needle for me, but it's there. Hey, it's there just in case. Bitcoin doing a little better than yesterday. We are up almost $11,000. And if I'm not mistaken, Ethereum is almost at $19,000, guys. So Ethereum still making that move, holding on to that $2,500 range. And it looks like it may be getting ready to even break out. So that's something that we need to watch out for in case that happens. So yeah, guys, really quickly, this was what my portfolio looked like today. I realized that we are a little later in the day, and that's just because I had other things to attend to all day. However, I do plan on keeping you guys updated every single day like I promised. Just like that, my name is Hamza, and I'll see you guys next video.